I'm going to share with you guys how you can take product photography with just your iPhone. Check this out. What's up guys, Myung here from Camera to Freedom. This is going to be a quick video. I'm going to share with you guys on how you can take product photography with just your phone. I got a bunch of professional cameras behind me, and yes, I could easily take nice product photos with my professional cameras, but just recently I had a client who hired me to take photos of their dog products for Amazon. And I brought, my expensive camera. I brought my big studio light. I got big white cardboards to tape against the wall and then just kind of lay out the dog product to take the photos, right? But you know what? To be honest with you, they could have easily done it by themselves. And I'm going to share with you guys exactly that. You can do it by yourself with your phone plus the softbox. If you haven't yet, click the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. I just wanted to talk about how easy it is to take product photography, right? So nowadays they make it so easy for everyone to do it. So you can do it yourself too. So the softbox that I do have right now with me is a Fossitan softbox. Very easy to set up. The cool thing about it is that it comes with 6 different color background. They are a nice hard material. The best part about the softbox is that it has a built-in LED light. So that means that you don't have to have studio lights to light up your item. It's very bright. So of course with your phone, the brighter it is, the less grainy your photos are gonna be. So you could just blast that light to full power, so that way your photos are as crisp as possibly can with your phone. The softbox also has a small diffuser on top, so that way the light isn't so harsh. It's very soft when it does light up your item. And on the sides, it's got a aluminum material, so that way it also bounces the lights from the sides to your item as well too. So now it just has a complete nice light that it needs. And to be honest with you, I think it's better lighting than the softbox that I had for the professional gig that I was paid to do, right? So for that one, I had a big one softbox lighting, which is nice, but this softbox is lit up all over the place. So it actually does a really good job lighting your item. I absolutely love how mobile it is. So if you are actually taking photos for your client, it's very easy to carry with you. So you could just do it for your client. Because not everybody wants to deal with taking product photography themselves. They just don't want to deal with that, right? So they're gonna trust you to do it. So that means that you get to take this softbox with you to your clients and put whatever item that they want a product photography of. So let's go into camera settings. So I have an iPhone, so I'm going to share with you guys the iPhone setting, the best iPhone setting to use to take the best. You open up your camera app. For product photography, you want to use portrait mode, because with the portrait mode, it actually uses the zoomed in lens of your iPhone. That has a very good quality, and you want to change this setting into contour light. That kind of makes the black a little blacker and the white a little whiter. So it gives it a nice contrast. You could mess around with the aperture setting, the F aperture setting right there. And if you bring it up to 1.4, the background will be super blurry. And if you bring it all the way up to 16, the background will be super clear. So that way you get to control exactly what kind of photo that you want. But for product photography, I recommend F16. Everything to be sharp, everything to be visible. Alright guys, so that was a very short video on how to take product photography with your phone. If you guys watched it all the way through, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.